This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Apple Pay at a vending machine. It's a super convenient and secure way to grab your favorite snacks or drinks without fumbling for cash or cards. We'll go over everything you need to know, from identifying a compatible machine to completing your purchase in just a few quick taps. Get ready to simplify your vending machine experience and enjoy the ease of contactless payment with your Apple device. Let's dive in. Before you can make a purchase, you'll need to check if the vending machine supports Apple Pay. Look for the universal contactless payment symbol, which often looks like 4 curved lines. You might also see the Apple Pay logo itself or other mobile payment logos. These symbols indicate that the machine is equipped with the necessary technology to accept payments directly from your iPhone or Apple Watch. It's usually located near the card reader or keypad. Once you've confirmed compatibility, the payment process is incredibly straightforward. First, make your selection on the vending machine as you normally would. Then, simply hold your iPhone near the contactless reader or double-click the side button on your Apple Watch and hold it near the reader. Your device will prompt you to authenticate using Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode. This quick step ensures your transaction is secure and authorized by you. After successful authentication, you'll see a confirmation message on your Apple device, and the vending machine will also indicate that the payment has been accepted. You can then collect your dispensed item, whether it's a refreshing drink or a tasty snack. Using Apple Pay at vending machines is not only fast and efficient, but also adds an extra layer of security, as your card details are never shared with the machine. Enjoy your purchase.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.